It's the 10 credit commandments. Number 10, pay your bills on time. Some people don't understand that this is one of the most major things you could do to help keep your credit great is make sure you're paying on time. Not only should you pay on time, but you should pay above the minimum payment to keep your credit utilization low. Number 9, opt out pre-screen and inquiries. If you're running your credit too much, you can actually get a lower credit score because of inquiries appearing on your credit report. And there is a website called optoutprescreen.com. If you don't want creditors running soft pulls on your credit report, you can go there to opt out for 5 years, which means they can't send you offers for new credit, which rumor has it helps improve your credit score. Number 8, don't dispute items on your credit. If you want to have something removed from your credit, you definitely need to work with the creditor to prove it isn't yours or what have you. But disputing things over $1,000 leads to a decline in the mortgage industry. So if you're going to dispute something, either it needs to fall off completely from all 3 bureaus, or you're going to have an issue when it comes to time to purchase a home. Number 7, don't close your accounts. If you have multiple accounts open and you pay them all the way off, please do not close those accounts. You're essentially erasing positive payment history if you have that, okay? Obviously, if it's a negative history, you should be pushing to have it deleted off your credit report. But if you paid bills on time and you decided to pay an account off, that's a credit card in particular, leave the account open. Number 6, settle all bills. So if you have collections or charge-offs, something you may want to talk to the creditor about is if they're willing to delete that off your credit report if you were to settle with them. In some cases, they'll take 50% of the balance or even lower. In some cases, they want the full amount. Either way it goes, settling your accounts can help free up your credit. Typically, paying it off won't help you boost your credit, but if you reestablish credit, you start getting other credit cards and things like that, you help your credit score go up even further by those accounts being settled. Number 5, a secure credit card. So for those of you who have below a 580 credit score, typically it's because of late payments and things like that. And one of the biggest tips I could give you is to reestablish new credit, which means getting a secure credit card. That means walking into a major bank like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, or what have you. Typically, you have to give them cash and they'll give you back a secure credit card. So if you give them $300, they'll give you a credit card with a $300 limit. Typically, if you make your payments on time, they'll refund you that $300. But a secure credit card is definitely the best way to start rebuilding your credit if it's in the hole and you're looking for a way out. Number 4, multiple accounts. So you can't just have credit cards. You might need an auto loan. You might need a student loan. You might need installments as well. Different types of trade lines help improve your overall credit. So if you only have 1 or 2 credit cards, you might want to increase that to at least 3 to 5. Give yourself blended accounts to help improve your credit. And if you're not using your credit, you can also be losing points that way because if you don't use it, you lose it, meaning that if you're not using the credit cards and paying it back monthly, it's not going to really help improve your score. Number 3, should have been number 1 to me, but talk to your creditors about not being able to pay off or pay your monthly payment if you're in the hole. So a lot of you don't know, but you can call a creditor and let them know, listen, I've fallen upon hard times or what have you. I'm having trouble making my payment. Can I get 2 to 3 months off? Some of them may approve that or have certain insurances in place to make sure that if you struggle with a hard time, they may be able to help you. So don't rule that out. Number 2, if your credit's really low, look at becoming an authorized user. If you're going to go this route, be added to an account with a high credit limit. Make sure that account also has no lates on its monthly payments, and just make sure the person that you're going to be working with that added you as an authorized user doesn't have any late payments in the future. And number 1, I don't believe in credit cleanup, and neither should you. If you have worked with a credit cleanup company, typically they charge you hundreds of dollars to delete something off your credit report that may reappear and may not get deleted. In a lot of cases, it have made more sense to try to settle with that bank, make the monthly payments, and get it completely paid off. If you've had collections or charge-offs or things on your credit that's been close to 4 years, it might fall off your credit altogether. So you might have to make a decision depending on how long it's been. Do you make monthly payments or do you wait for it to fall off? because you may not have to waste that money if it's about to fall off your credit. Carl Dwayne Fiesta, the Mortgage Fiesta. I've helped hundreds of people close mortgage loans, and we can't get you there without you having good credit. These are the top 10 credit commandments that I advise you guys to follow. If you're interested in purchasing a home, give me a call. I am a mortgage broker here in Inglewood, California, licensed in the state of California, Pennsylvania, Michigan, Texas, and Florida. And if there's anything you guys need, I'm here to help you get to that next level. Thank you.